Good afternoon. This is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. I spoke with your receptionist and she gave me a good email to send this video over to. So just wanted to give you guys some quick things that you could do today that will dramatically increase your business and your web presence online. So want to just go over three quick things. That's content, backlinks, and citations. And at the end of this video, if you can see that I have some good tricks up my sleeve to help you get ranked across Google, then please give me a call and we can discuss how we can partner together. Or if you want to just take this free attack plan and implement it into your digital marketing strategy, then by all means, go ahead and do so. But go ahead and jumping into it. Wanted to start off with content. You guys have a pretty nice site, but in order to be optimized by Google, you need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page. So I did a word count and you guys have 780 words. So a lot of room there to get to that 1,500 mark, but could be easily done. And your number one competitor, which is Change Your Bathroom, they have 410 words on their page. So you guys are already beating your number one competitor, but still need to be up to that 1,500 mark to be optimized by Google. And so next, wanted to talk to you about the map pack. And we see here that the map pack is the first thing you see when you search for a bathroom remodel Atlanta, which is also bringing in 260 searches per month. But the map pack here, you're probably asking yourself, how do I get listed in the map pack? And we see that the map pack is essentially made up of NAPs, which is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And what helps you get ranked is by having that NAP throughout the internet as many times as possible. So I like to use a tool called Whitespark. And what it does is show us how many citations that the top competitors in bathroom remodel in Atlanta has. And so we see that you guys are not in this top 10 listings. And so that means you have less than 6 citations for your page. And what that means is you have less than 6 other websites that contain your NAP, which is your name, your address, and your phone number. And the reason I like Whitespark so much is you can actually click here on View Sources, and it'll list out all of the citations that each one of your competitors is using. You could go into that website and just put your NAP, your name, your address, and your phone number, and basically steal that citation for yourself. And so you want to have at least 100 to 200 more citations than your number one competition in order to be beating them in Google's eyes. And so that is easily doable. Just need to get more citations to you guys' site. And so the last thing I wanted to talk about was backlinks, aka link juice. And simply put, link juice works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more tricky than that because you need to have relevant sites pointing back to your website. So seeing that you guys are bathroom remodelers, you need to have sites that are associated or relevant to bathroom remodeling rather than having like a Pizza Hut linking back to you because you guys aren't slinging pizzas for a living. So I like to use a tool called Ahrefs, and I did a search on your number one competition, and they have 105,000 backlinks. So that is a ton of link juice that they have. So you guys want to have at least 200 to 300 more backlinks than your competition. And so same as with Whitespark, as with Ahrefs, you can click here on backlinks and it'll list out all of their backlinks that they're using. And you could easily just go in and substitute or steal those backlinks for yourself. So in closing, you guys need to have at least 1,500 words on that front page to be optimized by Google, 100 to 200 more citations than your number one competition, and then 200 to 300 more backlinks than your competition. So if, like I said earlier, if you like what you heard, you can take this information, implement it into your digital marketing strategy, and I guarantee it'll bring you to number one in the map pack and number one in organic listings. Or if you want to take the more effective route and save yourself some time on the back end, then please give me a call as soon as you get this. My number is 678-661-5785. 5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. And again, my number is 678-661-5695. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you guys. Hopefully we can partner together, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.